Nissan Maxima. We need to replace the coils. The coils number 3 is misfiring, so that one is right behind by the firewall, somewhere right there. With that, we need to remove the intake manifold from this part right here. I already took this part right here, the air box. And if you have something like this is the Torx, which is gonna be, let me see, E8, or you can take these 2 bolts out, okay, and then it's gonna be 12 millimeters around right here on the back. 12 millimeters. You can use something like this, 12 millimeters, and take these 2 bolts around here. You can touch on the back, easy to remove. If you have a special, like another thing, like maybe this right here, which it wobbles, okay, or you can see it moves back. Okay, so $12 millimeters, and you can take those 2 out, and all this right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 millimeters also. Then you will disconnect these little ones, which goes right here. Okay, so this right here, see, and just some of the hoses. This one right here, okay, this one on the bottom, which is gonna be that one right there, and the one on the top. Okay, on the back is another one somewhere here. I don't know if you can see it right there, one, and the other one is right here, right there, this one. And also you can remove these 2 harness. The harness, they are right here. Okay, that's a tricky where you can pull some from here. Just press and pull. Okay, so if you take that one out, really easy to replace number 3, which is the worst. Number 5 you can take from here. You can see the spark plug right there, the spark plug and the coil. So, there, okay, so this right there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that one you can remove without taking the intake manifold. But number 3, definitely you need to take the intake out, somewhere right there, and just those 4 bolts in. All this right here, check the vacuum, okay, this right here, the air intake, boom, done. Some other videos they say, oh, a nightmare. No, it's not a nightmare. It's something you should know when you work in cars. You need to have tools, or you need to have the skills. And that's it.